I'm going to show you how to create a blend in Illustrator. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more videos. So now let's click on, I'm going to select this Eclipse tool. I'm just going to grab like this, and you can also hold Shift while you're doing this because it helps to lock in while you're doing that, so that's very helpful. And now what we have to do is actually to hold Alt, and before you're doing that, make sure you press V or click on this selection tool, and now press Alt and just grab now. So press Alt and drag. Now here we have these two shapes. We have these two circles here. And what we have to do now is to go here, blend, or use W. Okay. And click on that. And actually now double click. And here we have smooth color, specify steps. Click on select specify steps, and here enter about like 3, and click on OK. And nothing happened, even you might say, but you have to select, which is very true. We have to select this, and even if we double click now and we enter, it's still nothing showing. That's because you have to. Now you have to click, so just click one time here and then one time here, and now we have this worked. You just have to specify, you have to click on your shapes, one here, we have two. So yeah, because when you click on a blend on like a circle, and you have this like icon here, you see this like icon, blend tool icon. If you actually click on it and then you click again on the other one, you actually create this this effect, but you have to specify by clicking with this blend tool. You see the icon here. This way you'll be able to create a blend by clicking on the first one and then on the second one, just so you remember this. And what we have here, because first time when I started learning Illustrator, I was quite confused. I'm clicking on this tool, like I select let's say this, we select here direct selection, and I can select this one, which is great, but I want to select the other one here, where we're using direct selection tool. I cannot select. You can select, which you can move, which is great, and these aren't like Illustrator is still looking at this not like a shape. Probably that's not the best way to explain it, but that's how I say it. And because like you could select this one, but this one you can't. Only the first one, only the first one and the second one. And what is cool about this, you can just select this portion and skew like this and change, or you can move, and you see you will move. You can move this part as well, this part. You can still double click and specify here steps. You can add more, and it actually will change. So that's great. As you can see, we can double click again. We can enter now 3 even, and we can select. We can again move the way we want, the way we need, So that's something very valuable and really helpful, and I'm gonna show you. Please continue watching, because I'm gonna show you other really important and really interesting stuff, such as if you actually click on here actually double click, and then you go here and select smooth color. Now you're gonna have some smooth color, but you know, here when you have steps, even steps, if you actually increase the steps, now you're gonna have this effect. And I'm gonna show you exactly what it means, this exactly. So now we can create a different shape. Again, create a different shape, and we also need some fill. Now I'm gonna hold Alt, but before, make sure you select this. Hold Alt now, hold Shift to lock in. We have this here, and now let's actually change the color for this. Actually increase the color, like something more dark. Looking for a color that's more dark and a dark color. For a darker yellow. And now I select both. I go to the specified steps and enter here quite more than previously, and click on OK. And now if I select this, click on this and the other one, and we have this really nice effect. As you can see, just make sure you select this and double click, and then you can click first one and then second one, and you get this really nice effect. We can of course click on the anchor and move the anchor. Make sure you grab the anchor. You can also grab the circle and then just the anchor of that circle, and you can use Alt, hold Alt, so you are using or moving the handle, and you can also select, just select the anchor point here and grab like so. And now another thing that you can do, I think it will look really nice, is you can, let's go select all and then just press delete, or just go back, and here in selection you have all and then object. And then you can group the object, or you can just select all and select cut. You'll also remove it, but you also save it in the clipboard, which is helpful for other situations. But anyways, now let me show you again. Hold Shift, let's create this color, hold, press, click on here, hold Alt, create another one, and here let's add actually a gradient. So we had a gradient, and this, there's no gradient for this one. Let's try like this, and also grab the gradient and the color, not the guide. Actually the guide is fine. Okay, I'm gonna move it here, grab this here, select both now and double click here. This is okay, and now let's select here this, and now I have both here, and let's say select this part, and then I can add some color. All right, so for this portion, and let's select, let's add a color here. So for this part, can have here other options, radiant, any what you want, and here you can add a color. Let's say you can also select from here, And now let's use the pen tool. So from here, grab the pen tool and just create a shape. Very simple one. Enter, and now let's go here in a stroke. So select this stroke here, and actually let's remove the fill here. So no fill, but we need stroke. And for me, it's gonna be this white. And now we can select both. We can go here to object and then blend options, and here in blend we have replace spine. So please click on replace spine. And you're gonna get this nice effect. You can still edit this effect. It might be laggy, depends, but probably for me it's because the resolution of this is kind of huge, and also because of our machine can have some problems. But now you can still edit this. You can add different colors, choose a gradient, so you can continue editing this. You can add more colors. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.